Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech&Art. Today I am going to discuss about how to configure SQL Server database email. So let's start the video. This is my management console and instance Tech01. For mail configuration, you have to go to management and then database mail, right click on it and open the database mail wizard. So this is the mail wizard. When you click on next, it will take you the next screen, and here three options is there. Either you are going to create a new mail, or you are going to modify it, or on the existing mail. So here it's asking you need to enable the mail feature. So you can do it through the sp configuration command as well. If you put the value 1, it will enable it, or it will ask you, and if you click on OK, yes, it will enable through the GUI as well. Here you need to create the profile. So I am going to creating the profile, like you need to give the profile name like my DB report I have provided, and the description also, if you have, you can write it here. And once you click on add, so here you need to add the SMTP profile, so you need to give the SMTP account name. So I'm providing the account name MyDB report test. The description as well you can provide it. So the account name I have provided the MyDB report test. If you have description, give the description. And here I am using the Gmail account. If you have the business mail server business account, you can provide it here, but as of now I don't have anything, so I am providing my Gmail account. I am using the SMTP server as a Gmail, smtp.gmail.com, smtp.gmail.com, and the port, by default port is 578, right? 587 and 456. You can choose anyone. And here also, if you want to enable with SSL or the SMTP basic authentication, so I'm going with the SMTP basic authentication. I'm providing the Gmail account password here and the email. So I need to provide the password as well. So I'm giving the password, confirming the password. Once you confirm the password, you need to click on OK. So here your profile is created. So here you can add it multiple email account with this same approach. Just add it and give all those details. So here whoever want to send the emails, you can add it to the the Gmail the email accounts here. Once you click on the checkbox MyDB reports, its profile created, click on next. So here is the parameter. You can change it accordingly. I am leaving it here by default. You can change it based on your requirement as well, but as of now I am leaving with the default. Just click on next. So here's the summary tab, and once you click on finish, it's success. Now close this wizard and right click and send a test email. Right click on the mail and then send a test email. You need to provide the email information here, to whom you want to send the email. Okay, so once you give in the email configuration, click on the send test email. So here, based on the bandwidth, it will take some times as well, based on your mail server. So yes, I got it mail now on my Gmail account. So it's working actually. So through this way you can configure, and I will show you how to modify it also. For modifying existing email also, you have to go with the same wizard, and the second option you need to so if you choose the second radio button, click delete and modify the existing email. You can delete it here as well. Let me try to delete because I have tested. So what it's saying, okay, so you need to delete first the existing DB report account. Yes, so my DB report, you need to delete it first, and then you try to delete the mail configuration. So through wizard you can create and you can modify it on the existing email configuration account as well. So now I'm going to deleting, so it will allow me now. Yes, success. So it's deleted now. So this is very good tool wizard. You can send you can configure the email configuration. So hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.